master is slave.
Dumb Hegel joke.
Dialectic
I gotta get my kids somewhere.
Yeah, Frances McDormand looks pissed in that picture, dude.
Yeah,
she does. She does.
I don't think she did.
There's no way.
Were you trying to be
Because we
sly,
were all
Tony? Like
focusing
making
on
up
you guys.
poses
Like we
she
were like
drew or
laughing about
something?
the
Actually, I was
poses
trying to
and
take
like
their
whatever.
picture.
I don't think there's
And
any
then,
way.
no, and then I was like, oh shit, there's people in the background. That's totally the only way they can put some photograph. But then I was like, oh wait, actually, it's this person. Maybe Melanie wants her picture. So,
You didn't even know.
I had all these thoughts in about 0.5 seconds.
Yeah.
too.
And you
Wow,
snapped.
that's
Yeah.
impressive.
And then
That's when
quick
you told
snap.
me.
Yeah.
So it occurred to you that you didn't know who it was, but Melanie might have wanted her in her
Melanie was
picture.
whispering.
I was
She's
saying,
like,
Okay.
she was like, that's, and I was like, oh, cool, like just pretending. And then later, I was like, wait, who was that?
And then
And she tells me,
horses
and I'm
flew
like,
around.
who
and
was
then
that?
the point came in.
Who's that, man? Who's that?
Sorry. I didn't want to, I was like,
Then maybe
cool.
she knew.
I'm gonna have to look it up on